Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to recover our account of Clash Royale. So this is an easy process to do, and you need to search the support page of Supercell. You need to go here in Google, and here you need to search that page, Supercell support, and you need to pick here. And after that, you will in a you will are in the principal page, and after that you need to go here in Clash Royale, and you need to pick here in I lost my account and follow all for, follow all the steps to recover that account. You pick here in I lost my account, and you need to read that and pick here in recover it yourself. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.